Akash, continue.
Okay. Thank you all for giving us your prize time. Today, we will have rainbow of programs to entertain ourselves with the fascinating performances of our participants.
So before we begin, I would like to thank Srimati Aarti Sampati, President and Chief Executive of Shivasivani Group of Institutions, Dr. Sailesh Sampati, Vice President and Deputy Chief Executive, Srimati Deepika Sailesh, Associate Vice President, Professor M. Kamlakar, Executive Vice President, Dr. E. Sudhakar, Director General, Dr. S. V. Ramana Rao, Director, and all those dignitaries present here for giving us this opportunity. Without you all, this wouldn't have been possible.
We believe that, according to our Indian tradition, any prosperous event or work should be started with a prayer song. So let us begin this event by seeking the blessings of the Lord Almighty. I now request Shravani to grace this occasion with the prayer song.
हे गणराय तेरे बिना मैं आद स्तुताया कहाँ चला मैं। हे गणराय तेरे बिना मैं आद स्तुताया कहाँ चला मैं। आकार लेने लगा ख्वाब मेरा साकार होते रुका ख्वाब मेरा। सानी धप नि धप म। नमो 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 नमस्ते नमो 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 नमस्ते नमो 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 नमस्ते नमो 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 नमस्ते। गण गणपति गणेश जय जय हे रंभ हो। मूल मंत्र एक तेरा नाम जो नमो नमो। तुमसे आरंभ सर्व तुम पे ही अंत हो। सत्य प्राण पुण्य का प्रमाण हो नमो नमो। एक दंत शौर्यवंत दीन के सहाय तुम। कष्ट नष्ट और दुष्ट दृष्टि के उपाय तुम। वृत्तिमान सिद्धिमान सर्वशक्तिमान हो। मूल मंत्र एक तेरा नाम जो नमो नमो।
Thank you, Shravani.
Good.
Thank you,
Is
Shravani.
it a recorded one or live singing?
So it's
Shravani has sang it and then we recorded it because there's some technical issues as a back.
Okay.
Yes. It's her own voice.
Good.
Yes.
Voice is good.
Yes.
That's definitely a great start for the day.
As we all know that India has lost a great personality, Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, was an Indian track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sport while serving in the Indian Army. He is the only athlete to win gold medal at 400 meters at the Asian Games as well as the Commonwealth Games. He also won gold medals in the 1958 and 1962 Asian Games. He represented India in the 1956 Summer Olympics in Melbourne, the 1960 Summer Olympics in Rome, and the 1964 Summer Olympics in Tokyo. He was awarded the Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian honor, in the recognition of his sporting achievements. So, in tribute to him, let's watch a video.
ये भागता नहीं था, ये उड़ता था। नाम मिल्खा सिंह, द फ्लाइंग सिख। इनका जन्म सन 1935 में हुआ। लयालपुर के रहने वाले मिल्खा सिंह को अपना घर-बार छोड़कर भागना पड़ा और इनके भागने के हुनर की वजह से ही ये दंगों से बच सके। ये वो राइट्स थे जो हिंदुस्तान के पार्टीशन के वक्त हुए थे। लयालपुर अब पाकिस्तान में है।
जब मेरे माँ बाप को मेरी आंखों के सामने कत्ल किया गया, इंडिया पाकिस्तान बना, उस टाइम लोगों के दिमाग के ऊपर भूत छाया हुआ था यहाँ से गाड़ियां कटी हुई जा रही थी और वहां से गाड़ियां कटी हुई आ रही थी।
मिल्खा सिंह के पिताजी की जुबान से निकले आखिरी शब्द भाग मिल्खा भाग। अपना घर बार छोड़कर ये भागे। इनकी जिंदगी का रुख बदला जब ये आर्मी में आ गए। आर्मी ने इनकी जिंदगी बदल के रख दी। बात तो सन 1951 की एक रात की है, जब यह अनाउंसमेंट हुई थी कि एक क्रॉस कंट्री रेस होगी जिसमें तकरीबन 500 लोग भागेंगे। ये दौड़ खत्म हुई और मिल्खा सिंह की आंखों में आंसू आ गए, क्योंकि ये चोटी के 10 धावकों में से एक थे।
कि मिल्खा जी ने दुनिया भर में 80 इंटरनेशनल रेसेस दौड़ी और 80 में से 77 जीती। ये सही बात है। आज भी ये दुनिया में रिकॉर्ड है कि कोई भी ऐसा एथलीट पैदा नहीं हुआ दुनिया के अंदर जिसने कि इतनी इंटरनेशनल रेसेस जीती।
और एक रात में ही मिल्खा सिंह जो कुछ नहीं थे वो एक बड़ा नाम बन गए। ये बात भी गौर करने लायक है कि मिल्खा सिंह दरअसल दौड़ती हुई रेलगाड़ी के साथ रेस लगाया करते थे। ये वो जमाना था जब मीटर गेज ट्रेन चला करती थीं और सिकंदराबाद के लोकेलिटीज से ये ट्रेन क्रिस क्रॉस करती हुई जाया करती थीं। ट्रेन से रेस लगाते मिल्खा सिंह ये नहीं जानते थे कि भागते भागते ये उड़ने लगेंगे और इन्हें द फ्लाइंग सिख का टाइटल मिल जाएगा। आर्मी में हवलदार गुरदेव सिंह ने इनका मार्गदर्शन किया और ब्रिगेडियर जॉर्ज इब्राहिम, जो कि अब रिटायर हो चुके हैं, उस वक्त कैप्टन और टीम मैनेजर थे। उनसे भी मिल्खा सिंह को बहुत प्रोत्साहन मिला।
कहते मिल्खा जी आज तुसी पाकिस्तान में दौड़े नहीं, तुसी पाकिस्तान में जाके उड़े हो, तो पाकिस्तान फ्लाइंग सिख का खिताब।
सन 1956 में पहली बार मिल्खा सिंह ने भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व किया मेलबर्न ओलंपिक्स में। यह वो वक्त था जब मिल्खा सिंह के पास वो अनुभव नहीं था जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर इन्हें एक मेडल जिता सकता। पर उसके बाद सन 1958 के एशियन गेम्स में 200 मीटर और 400 मीटर की दौड़ों में मिल्खा सिंह ने गोल्ड मेडल जीते। और उसके बाद सन 1958 के कार्डिफ कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में मिल्खा सिंह ने एक बार फिर 400 मीटर की दौड़ में स्वर्ण पदक जीता। मिल्खा सिंह पहले भारतीय हैं जिन्होंने कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में आजाद भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व किया और गोल्ड मेडल जीता। सन 1960 में एक लम्हा वो भी आया जब मिल्खा सिंह को पाकिस्तान से न्योता मिला, पर यह पाकिस्तान नहीं जाना चाहते थे। इसकी वजह साफ थी, पाकिस्तान वो धरती थी जहां मिल्खा सिंह का बचपन बीता, पर यह वो धरती भी थी जहां पर इन्होंने ऐसे खौफनाक मंजर देखे थे जो इनका दिल दहला चुके थे और ये उन यादों में वापस नहीं जाना चाहते थे।
जब मेरे माँ बाप को मेरी आंखों के सामने कत्ल किया, इंडिया पाकिस्तान बना, उस टाइम लोगों के दिमाग के ऊपर भूत छाया हुआ।
ऐसे में उस वक्त के भारतीय प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने मिल्खा सिंह को समझाया और कहा, वक्त बहुत सारे घाव भर देता है, तुम्हें वहां जाना ही होगा।
मगर पंडित जी ने मुझे बुलाया। पंडित जी ने कहा, मिल्खा जी नहीं, हमारा पड़ोसी देश है, स्पोर्ट्स जो है ये प्यार बढ़ाती है, भाईचारा करती है, हमने जाना ही जाना है पाकिस्तान।
ये 400 मीटर की दौड़ थी और एशिया के सबसे बेहतरीन धावकों में से एक अब्दुल खलीक के साथ इनका कंपटीशन था।
होटल के अंदर जाके देखा, एक पेपर पढ़ा था, एक अखबार पढ़ा था जिसके अंदर लिखा हुआ था मिल्खा सिंह और अब्दुल खालिक की टक्कर, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान की टक्कर। वो जब चीज मैंने पढ़ी मेरे दिल के अंदर, मैंने कहा यार ये चीजें इनको नहीं छापनी चाहिए, हम यहाँ किसी और काम के लिए आए हैं और ये चीज इन्होंने छाप दी है।
सभी लोग ये सोच रहे थे कि ये पतला दुबला सरदार कैसे अब्दुल खालिक के साथ मुकाबला कर सकेगा, पर जब ये रेस शुरू हुई मिल्खा सिंह ने सबको गलत साबित कर दिया। इस मुकाबले में मिल्खा सिंह ने अब्दुल खालिक को बुरी तरह से हरा दिया। स्टेडियम में बैठी हजारों बुर्कानशी औरतों ने अपना नकाब हटाया और इस उड़ते हुए धावक की झलक पाने की कोशिश की।
कि वहां 10,000 औरत बुरके वाली भी बैठी थी और उन्होंने बुरके उठाए और देखा कि ये सरदार ने कमाल कर दिया यहाँ पे।
उस दौर के पाकिस्तानी जनरल अयूब खान ने भी ये कहा था कि मिल्खा भागा नहीं बल्कि हवा से बातें करते हुए उड़ा, और वहीं से ये टाइटल द फ्लाइंग सिख मिल्खा सिंह के नाम के साथ जुड़ गया।
जनरल अयूब विक्ट्री स्टैंड पे आए मेडल डालने के लिए, तो हम खड़े हैं वहां पे और जनरल अयूब के ये लफ्ज थे कि मिल्खा जी, पंजाबी में बोलते हैं वो, कहते मिल्खा जी आज तुसी पाकिस्तान दे दौड़े नहीं, तुसी पाकिस्तान दे आके उड़े हो, तो पाकिस्तान फ्लाइंग सिख का खिताब देंगे।
सन 1960 और सन 1964 के ओलंपिक्स में मिल्खा सिंह ने भारत को रिप्रेजेंट किया। सन 1960 के रोम ओलंपिक्स में मिल्खा सिंह की शुरुआत बहुत ही जबरदस्त रही। ये 400 मीटर रेस की हर राउंड के अंदर अपनी टाइमिंग को इम्प्रूव करते जा रहे थे और मेडल पाने की उम्मीद और भी मजबूत। छोटे मार्जिन से मिल्खा सिंह मेडल से वंचित रह गए।
चाहूंगा कि 100 करोड़ 150 करोड़ आबादी में से कोई ना कोई ऐसा नौजवान उठना चाहिए जो मेरे हाथ से मेडल गिर गया रोम ओलंपिक के अंदर, वो जाके ले तिरंगा झंडा इंडिया के वहां जाके ले।
ओलंपिक की रेस में कोई मेडल ना पाने का अफसोस जरूर मिल्खा सिंह के साथ रहा, पर इस फ्लाइंग सिख ने एक उम्मीद जगा दी कि भारतीय एथलीट्स भी ओलंपिक में मेडल्स पा सकते हैं। और बहुत बरसों के बाद अभिनव बिंद्रा ने यह कमाल कर दिखाया जब एक गोल्ड मेडल शूटिंग में ये जीत कर लाए। अगर हम लेजेंडरी मिल्खा सिंह के निजी जीवन की तरफ रुख करें तो हमें पता चलता है कि इनका विवाह निर्मल कौर से हुआ था। निर्मल कौर जो कि इंडियन विमेन वॉलीबॉल टीम की कैप्टन रह चुकी हैं। इनका बेटा जीव मिल्खा सिंह एक जाना माना गोल्फर है। मिल्खा सिंह वो भारतीय एथलीट हैं जिनकी दास्तां, जिनका जोश, जिनका जज्बा युगों युगों तक आने वाली पीढ़ियों को प्रेरित करता रहेगा। बॉलीवुड की लेटेस्ट खबरें और गॉसिप के लिए लॉग ऑन करें
It's a very big sad to our country.
That's really a great loss for our nation. Hope so. Though we all are engaged in our internship program, our friends have taken time and participated and given their responses and simply boosted our energy today to organize this event. The response is quite overwhelming for us. We, the Cultural and Sports Club, are thankful for their support and appreciating their great response.
Without any further delay, let's get started. First, we have instrumental musical performance by Robinson. Can we have the recording?
Thank you, Robinson. That was indeed a lovely performance.
It was so lovely to hear such a mesmerizing mashup.
We'll come back now. Let's have a change.
Okay, what's next?
Next, let's get into dance segment. We now have a beautiful dance performance by Nisi. So let's look her video.
Never stop if you wanna be on top, yeah.
Tap, 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 wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to break it. 8 figure, face on satin, pockets on jigger. You better get the card and make it swipe like Tinder. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Private pillow. He post me for the skin sucker. Boy killer, I don't need fillers. Never been a blank, so the real chick's silly. Silly, 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 boy. Big millionaire boys wanna eat me out. Would you wanna put a good thing? These lame little rappers tryna for the clout. Shuffle with the kids that up with they cool. Fucking wanna put a good thing. Yeah, I'm a worst case. What you say hurts, baby? तेरा ही इंतजार है मुझे बोलने से तुझसे प्यार है तेरा ही तेरा खुमार है खुद पे ना मेरा इख्तियार है तेरे सनम इस शहर में बेकरार हूँ तेरे सनम इस शहर में बेकरार हूँ
How captivating. Good one, Nisi. Thank you for coming forward and participating. Moving on. As we are being in a pandemic situation since more than a year, we have no choice other than fighting against it through getting vaccinated. Each one of us should know the importance of getting vaccinated. Let us have a look at this enlightening video.
I hope everyone has got enough awareness about how important it is to get vaccinated.
And I also hope
A small submission to all of you. Why don't you promote it very strongly in all your networks so that
Yeah, this is
it
an
will reach
informative.
out to the larger people in the country.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Definitely, we'll do it, sir. It's an informative video, guys. So let's try to promote it. We can share it in our, in your group, social media. Because you can. It's an informative video. We'll do it, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay.
And I also hope we will get rid of this devastating situation very soon by everybody taking your vaccination at the earliest.
Sometimes it only takes one good music to bring back thousands of good memories. Are you excited to listen to a soothing instrumental performance by one of our friends?
Yes, I am. Let's get started. Video, please.
Thank you, Smaran, for your beautiful performance.
Hey Akash, have you heard Team India's current Sheriff song titled Hindustani Way, which was released for the Tokyo Olympics 2020?
Yes, of course. After all, it was created by my all-time favorite A.R. Rahman sir, along with Ananya Birla. So how can I miss it?
True. Now I would like to play that video for the ones who have missed it, and here we go.
लाए 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 हमने मचाया शोर गूंजे सारे सारे अंबर में झलके हौसले समंदर से लाए 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 Can you hear our voices wage war. Through the Ganga, climbing the Himalayas, bleeding Kashmir warriors. ठान ले जो हम कर्म कभी चल पड़ते हैं रुकते नहीं. Rising from the earth we strike, tiger stripes the hero rise. Here we come, it's our time. India, we're here to fight. And if we fall, we get back up. We're born to win, we never stop. Say the Hindustani way, हर पल हर दिल ये गाए. The Hindustani way, हर पल हर दिल ये गाए. The Hindustani way, जीत हमारी हर नज़्में. The Hindustani way, जीत हमारी हर नज़्में. आए यहाँ जो करने वो करके हम दिखलाएंगे. जीत की बाजी खेले हम और दिल को भी जीत के आएंगे. Here we come, it's our time. India, we're here to fight. And if we fall, we get back up. We're born to win, we never stop. Say
Sorry, sir, there is a technical glitch. One second.
Okay. But it's a nice
No
song,
issues,
right?
don't worry.
Yeah.
Isn't it fantastic?
Yeah,
Should I
play it,
continue?
Ajit. Yeah, continue. It's a good song. It's a tribute to our Indian Olympic athletes, right? Even, I mean, composed by A.R. Rahman, and then Indian government has propagated it, right? Yeah, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
here to fight. And if we fall, we get back up. We're born to win, we never stop. Say the Hindustani way, हर पल हर दिल ये गाए. The Hindustani way, हर पल हर दिल ये गाए. The Hindustani way, जीत हमारी हर नज़्में. The Hindustani way, जीत हमारी हर नज़्में. हमने मचाया शोर, टूटे सारे सारे अंबर में, झलके हुस्न समंदर से.
Isn't it fantastic?
Yes, it is.
Now, without further delay, we will turn the time over to our next speaker, Omkar, who has prepared the presentation on the topic Olympic Games. You may proceed, Omkar.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. So, good morning, my dear faculty and my friends. So, I am Omkar Patil, the head of sports, and I am here on behalf of Sports and Cultural Club. Next slide, please. So, for that presentation, we have decided to go with the sports side background, and for that purpose, we have chosen this topic Olympics. So, before going further for presentation, I would like to ask some questions like, Anyone have any information about Olympics? Means like when it has started, how much its game has done, what is ancient Olympic, what is modern Olympic? Any information? Anyone has that? Like any duration between two games, two Olympics? Any information? Hello.
Yes, yes, Omkar. Yeah, guys, do respond before we respond.
Yeah, guys, I just want like interaction, only event for the interaction purpose. So I just want interaction. It's nothing about right and wrong, guys. Just give interaction. That's okay. So it's okay for
In
that.
4 years, it happens, right, Omkar?
Yes, sir. Perfect,
Yeah.
sir. Between
Yeah.
like two Olympic games, there in duration between 4 years.
Yeah, Indian hockey team was the first to Indian hockey team won their first gold during, I mean, Indian Olympics, right? In the history of Indian Olympics.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, the
Sir.
first gold was by Abhinav Bindra. I mean, team event,
Yes,
it is Indian
individual
hockey team,
gold.
individual, yes. And then the first individual
Yes.
medalist by Mahesh, by tennis player. Okay, yeah, please, you go ahead. Sorry to take over. Yes, please.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. So whatever I have asked questions here, it is a content for that presentation. Means like what is the origin of Olympic Games? What is modern Olympic? What are the games we are going to see on that Olympics? Who have discovered that Olympic Games? And we are going to discuss about the upcoming Olympic Games also. And along with that, how many Indian players are going to participate on that Olympic Games? So these are the all contents we are going to discuss over here. So right now, origin of Olympic Games. So yeah, you can see here like it is an ancient Greek Olympic game where women are not allowed to compete, and it was a tradition where like it is a honor to for the Greek gods Zeus and Hera. Next slide, please. Yeah. So right now history. So first of all, ancient Olympic game has started 776 before Christ, and it has started up. It has gone through the 393 AD, and it has like a huge time for the ancient game. And after 1500s year of decades, it has come up with the modern Olympic games. Next slide, please. Yeah, so this is the in 1894 the modern Olympic Games has started, and Baron de Courtembin has the started that Olympic game. So for that Olympic Games there are motto. So motto is like that for Olympic Games is Citius, Altius, and Fortius, which are the Latin words, and the meaning of like faster, higher, and stronger. So these are the motto. So first modern Olympic game has took place in Athens in Greece, sorry, and nearly all mention has took parts for that game. Next slide, please. Yeah, so right now, design of a flag. It is a most important factor and most important part for the Olympic side. So whenever we just look out that Olympic flag, there is an inclusion of a 5 rings over there with the colorful rings like blue, yellow, black, green, red, and white. So it shows some meanings over there. Like these 5 rings are represent the 5 continents of whole world, like Africa, Europe, Asia, America, oceans, including of Australia. And design of that flag is given by the French educator Pierre and the owner of modern Olympic. So this is the flag of this is the visible flag of Olympic. Next slide, please. Yeah, so some Olympic symbols. So there are some Olympic symbols like winner medals. So first of all, when the modern Olympic has started, there was no medal. Like in 1904, the tradition of medal has come. So for a first place, whoever going to win that first prize, they are like prize as a prize. They have got the gold medal. It is a composition of silver and gold. Second place with the silver medal, and third place with the bronze medal. Next slide, please. Yeah, Olympic flame. Yeah, so we knows very well about the Olympic flame. Means before the starting of Olympic Games, it all country always flamed that Olympic flame. So, like the information about that month before each game, Olympic flame light on Olympia, and the runner of each country means where the Olympics is going to be started, the taking place. The runners carry that Olympic flame to that country. So this is related to that Olympic flame, and you can see here the pictures also over here. Next slide, please. Yeah, so right now I'm going to talk about India's achievement in Olympic. So the first India's game was in Olympic 1900. Yeah, 1900, and at that time only one person has to participate from all India nation, and he got two medals, silver medals for the in a running. And at that time, India was secured 17th rank on Olympic, and it was a huge it was a huge thing for the India. And along with that, India was the first Asian country who has got the medal on Olympics. So about that Major Dhyanchand, we knows very well he is a hockey player. Like he is the best hockey player. He has took the three Olympic games in a participant like 1928, 1932, and 1936, and where he got all three golds on that Olympic games. So for that purpose, India has awarded him as a Padma Bhushan. Next slide, please. Yeah, after that, Abhinav Bindra. So yeah, we have discussed, like we have also watched that Abhinav Bindra has got the gold medal in 2008 Beijing Olympics for the 100-meter rifle. And it was the first individual gold medal for the India, and it is the still first individual gold for the India. Sorry, next slide. Yeah, so it is a total scenario for the all medals. Like India has obtained total 28 medals, inclusion of gold, silver, and bronze. So like you can observe here about the hockey. Like hockey has got 8 gold medals, silver 1, bronze 2. The like total 11 medals. Means out of total 28, hockey has earned 11 medals. So now you can think like that, why hockey is our national national game. Sorry. Next slide. Yeah, these are the all players whoever they won that medals along with their sports and along with their dates. Like if you are going to talk about the recent Olympic Games which has done on the Rio de Janeiro Olympic. So you can see over there the bronze, like Sakshi Malik has won that bronze medal in wrestling in 2016, and along with that PV Sindhu has won silver medal. We knows very well she is now silver girl. So silver medal in 2016. So yeah, in 2016 India have won 2 medals. Next slide, please. Yeah, right now we are going to talk about the Summer Olympic 2021 Tokyo. So here is a poster of their Olympic symbol. Like you can see here the Tokyo 2020 and their symbol, and it is going to be start July 23 up to August 8. Next slide, please. Yeah, so as of now, as like previous we have saw there, it was 2020. So that Summer Olympic 2020 was decided to complete on a previous year, but it's because of COVID-19 situation it postponed it to 2021 in Japan, Tokyo. So for that 2021, 206 nation has their participants sent to Tokyo. Yeah, means all our 206 nation has to participate for that Olympic. And the feature of game is like that there are a total 339 events along with 32 different sports and total 50 disciplines. And these are the only 33 sports. Along with that, there is an inclusion of a new 5 sports. It's like you can see here 3x3 basketball, freestyle BMX, return of medicine cycles, and along with that new several sports also. So these are the total scenario for the 2021 Tokyo. Next slide. yeah, a representative of athletes of India. So like first point is like I have shown over here, it's like a 25th Olympic game of India, and along with that achievement, like he has won 2 silver, our country in a 1900. So all whole over world is going to see what India's will be do on a 2021. So for that Tokyo 2021, total 127 athletes are qualified, including two alternate players, and across 18 sports category will be part for going to take a part as a India, and the total size of continent is 228, including of coaching, support staff, and athletes. So these are the all scenario for the India, and these are the some pictures who are going to take participate on a Tokyo. So let's cheer for them. Thank you. Next minute. Thank you, sir. Like you have given the best opportunity for us. It is a really best useful for us. Thank you, sir.
Good on that.
Thank
Very
you, Omkar.
informative.
That was really informative. Moving forward to the next part of the event, we have Shravani over here to enlighten us with her beautiful voice. Recording, please.
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय हाय हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय बाय बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय। लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव मी जिंदगी। कभी हाथ पकड़ के तू मेरा चल दे, कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूँ। मैं थोड़ी सी मुड़ी हूँ, तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय। लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव मी जिंदगी।
So nice.
Thank you, sir. Continuing, we have one more dance performance by one of our club team head, Shraddha.
Yeah, 1 second. Before that, can we have one small singing competition? Can I take one small lead? I mean, Subhasa's daughter wants to sing a song. So,
Yeah,
shall
sure,
we give her a chance? Subhas sir?
Sir, I am here.
Yes, sir. Yes, Subhasa's daughter Niharika would like to sing a song to us. So, hi Niharika, how are you?
Yeah, Nainika.
Sorry, Nainika. Hi Nainika, how are you? Sorry. That's so nice. Yes. Niharika, sorry, Nainika, yeah, please.
శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. నా పేరు శ్రియ నైనిక. ఇప్పుడు నేను కనకదార స్తోత్రం పాడబోతున్నాను. అంగం హరేః పుల पुण्डरीकभूषणमाश्रयन्ती मृङ्गाङ्गनेव मुकुलाभरणं तमालम् अङ्गीकृता किल विभूतिरपाङ्गलीला माङ्गल्यदातु मम मङ्गलदेवतायाः मुग्धा मुहुर्विदधति वदने मुरारेः प्रेमत्रपा प्रणिहितानि गतानि मालादृशोर्मधुकरेव महोत्पलेया सा मे श्रियं दिशतु सागरसम्भवायाः आमेलिताक्षमधिगम्य मुदा मुकुन्दम् आनन्दकन्दमनिमेषमनङ्गतन्त्रम् आकेकरस्थितगणिनीकपक्ष्मनेत्रम् भूत्यै भवे मम भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः भाग्वन्तरे मधुजितश्रितकौस्तुभेया हारावलीव हरिनीलमयी विभाति कामप्रदा भगवतोऽपि कटाक्षमाला कल्याणमावहतु मे कमलालयायाः कालाम्बुदालिललितो रसिकैटभारेः धाराधर स्फुरति या तटिन्दगनेव मातुः समस्तजगतां महनीयमूर्तिः भद्राणि मे दिशतु भार्गवनन्दनायाः प्राप्तं पदं प्रदमतः खलु यत्प्रभावात् माङ्गल्यबाजि मधुमादिनि मन्मदेन मय्यापतेदु मरीमयनीक्षणाद्धं मन्दालसङ्क्रमकरालय कन्यकायाः विश्वामरेन्द्रपदविप्रमदानदक्षम् आनन्दहेतुरधिकं मुरविश्वरोऽपि ईशन्निषेधतु मरीमयनीक्षणार्थम् इन्दीरवोरसहोदरमिन्दिरायाः इष्टाविशिष्टमतयोऽपि नययाय दयाय दृष्ट्याः त्रिविष्टं पपदं सुलभं लभन्ति हृष्टिं प्रहृष्टकमलोदरदीप्तिरिष्टां पुष्टिं कृशिष्ट मम पुष्करदीष्टिराय दत्यादयानुपवनो द्रविणाम्बुदाराम् अस्मिन्न किञ्चन विहङ्गशिशौ विषङ्गि दुष्कर्म घर्ममपनीय चिराय दूरं नारायण प्रणयने नयनाम्बुवाहः गीर्धवरेति गरुडध्वज सुन्दरीति साकम्बरीति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकेलीषु संस्थितायै तस्मै नमो त्रिभुवनैकगुरोस्तरुण्यै श्रुत्यै नमोऽस्तु शुभकर्मफलप्रसूत्यै रत्यै नमोऽस्तु रमणीयगुणार्धवायै शक्त्यै नमोऽस्तु शतपत्रनिकेतनायै पुष्ट्यै नमोऽस्तु पुरुषोत्तमवल्लभायै नमोऽस्तु नालीकनिभाननायै नमोऽस्तु दुग्धोदधिजन्मभूम्यै नमोऽस्तु सोमामृतसोदरायै नमोऽस्तु नारायणवल्लभायै नमोऽस्तु हेमाम्बुजपीठिकायै नमोऽस्तु भूमण्डलनायकायै नमोऽस्तु देवादिदयापरायै नमोऽस्तु शारदा युद्धवल्लभायै नमोऽस्तु देव्यै भृगुनन्दनायै नमोऽस्तु विष्णोरुरसिस्थितायै नमोऽस्तु लक्ष्म्यै कमलाललायै नमोऽस्तु दामोदरवल्लभायै नमोऽस्तु कान्त्यै कमलेक्षणायै नमोऽस्तु भूत्यै भुवनप्रसूत्यै नमोऽस्तु देवादिभिरर्चितायै नमोऽस्तु नन्दात्मजवल्लभायै सम्पत्कराणि सकलेन्द्रियनन्दनानि साम्राज्यदाननिरतानि सरोरुहाक्षि तत्वन्दनानि दुरितोद्धरणोज्यतानि मामेव मातरनिजं कलयन्तु मान्ये यत्कटाक्षसमुपासवानिधिः सेवकस्य सकलार्थसम्पदः सन्तनोति वचनाङ्गमानसैः त्वां मुरारिहृदयेश्वरीं भजे सरसिजनिलये सरोजहस्ते धवलतमां सुखगन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवते हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरे प्रसीद मह्यम् भिक्कस्ति भिक्कनककुम्भमुखारुसुष्ट स्वावाहिनि विमलचारुचलाब्धिपुत्राङ्गीम् प्रातर्नमामि जगतां जननीम् अशेषलोकाभिनादगृहिणीम् अमृताब्धिपुत्रीं कमले कमलाक्षवल्लभे तां करुणापूरतरङ्गितैरपाङ्गैः अवलोकय माम् अचिञ्चनानां प्रथमं प्राप्तमकुटप्रकृतिमं दयायाः स्तुवन्ति ये स्तुतिभिरमभिरमम् त्रयीं त्रिभुवनमातरं रमां गुणादिक गुरुतर भाग्यभाद्रविनो भुवन्ति ये भुवि भीरभाविताशयायाः इति श्री आदिशङ्कराचार्य विरचित कनकधारा स्तोत्रम् सम्पूर्णम्।
Very good, Nainika.
Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Subhash, you should give a good party.
Definitely, sir. Thank you.
Good. Encourage her to do good.
So she has given me options out of 20. I have she has selected on her own.
Okay.
Sir,
Good,
very
good.
nicely sung, sir. What
Thank
was
you.
it? What sloka was it?
Kanakadara Stotram.
Okay.
In fact, Adi Shankaracharya, when she goes to a old
Yes.
lady's house, she has nothing to offer him. So immediately he sang this song, and then this golden usirikayalu vastayi kada madam.
Yeah.
Amla, sir.
Amla.
So that is what is Kanakadara Stotram.
Okay.
Thank
Scripted
you.
by Shankaracharya. Very nice, sir.
That was so lovely, Nainika. Thank you so much. Continuing, we have one more dance performance by one of our club's team heads, Shraddha.
Thank you, Shraddha. That was a graceful performance. As everyone are enjoying instrumental music performances the most, right? Last but not least, so we are here with another creative mashup by Robinson again. Let's get started. Video, please.
Akash, is a small doubt before starting. Is it all three are from our batch, or is it Robinson and his team?
Robinson and his team, sir.
Okay.
The others are like he need help, so he's in the village.
Okay. His friends from outside.
Yeah,
Okay.
Out of the three, who is our student? Is that the black?
Middle one, sir. Yes, sir.
Black.
Yes,
Middle
sir.
one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, please go ahead.
Wow, that was really a tremendous performance. I would like to conclude the event by giving vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the faculty members and my dear students for gracing the event out of your busy schedule. Special thanks to Dinesh sir for supporting us and making this event successful. We hope you all have enjoyed the event and we ensure that we will be coming up with many more interesting and fun-filled events. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you everyone sir, for attending this event.
Good one. Congrats to all of you. Thank you all my colleagues for joining, and appreciation to Dinesh and Sahu.
Thank you,
And
sir.
to all student team.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Hearty congratulations, sir, Dinesh sir and Sahu sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful performance. Yes. Congratulations to all the participants. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
sir, congratulations. Sahu sir.
Yeah, வணக்கம் நன்றிங்கய்யா. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.